shadows are longer now, the fire's burning low. I'm watching the footprints I left in the snow. A few more lines on the face, a bit more weight in the bone. Learning to sit with the silence, all on my own. I didn't reach the stars, I didn't win the race, but I'm still standing here in this quiet space. Adieu, adieu to the days that have fled, to the words I kept silent, and the ones that I said. It wasn't a revolution with a thunderous sound, just a slow, steady change. On this frozen ground I survived the year, and that is enough. Through the gentle winds and the winter so rough, they're lighting the sky for a brand new start, but I'm holding the stillness inside of my heart. Where to go next, I truly don't know. I'm just caught in the middle of the ebb and the flow. Not quite a hope and not quite a fear, just the heavy, sweet scent of the end of the year. No tickets to heaven, no debts to repay, just an honest goodbye at the end of the day. I'll close the door softly, no need for a light. I've made my peace with the coming of night. Adieu, adieu, one more year in the grain of the wood. I'm still here, and it's good.